Need to fix Rave app? There was a problem loading your video, then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can fix this issue. First thing first, head over to Safari. Here in the address bar, you need to search for Rave outage. Head over to the very first site, Rave status page. Now in this page, you can check all the status of Rave. Well, if you scroll down, you can check if all the component of Rave is working properly or not. Once you have checked the status, scroll down and move into another site. In this page, you can check whether the server of this application is down or not. Sometimes server might be down, and in that case, all you gotta do is wait for the server to get fixed. Once done, now check whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. If you are not connected to Wi-Fi, then you can try using cellular data as well, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.